Hello everyone, my name is Richa Pimplekar and I am from Dombivli, Mumbai, and I am running my own venture called Enchanting Lights, wherein I make designer candles, some artifacts and bath essentials. I have attended the Fevicryl teacher training course for Mumbai location from 16th to 19th of December, and the course was undertaken by Shilpa ma'am. And first of all, I would like to thank Shilpa ma'am, Fevicryl, Abhishek sir and Mukesh sir for this wonderful opportunity wherein we have learned so many new artifacts in this teacher training course. It was a rigorous four-day workshop. This is a color wheel, which is the first article that we have learned. And in this wheel, there are various primary, tertiary, and secondary colors are shown. And Fevicryl acrylic colors are used over here. And this is a color value chart wherein tints, shades, and tones are shown using mixing of different colors: white, blue, and grey color. These are done using tie and dye technique, and these are all white color fabric which are dyed using Fevicryl fabric colors, and they have been folded in different styles and dipped in water, and then I have applied Fevicryl fabric color to give different patterns of tie and dye. The spiral one, this is again a different pattern, this is a diagonal pattern, and this is a straight pattern. Next is the shibori art form, which is again a tie and dye technique. It's a Japanese tie and dye technique wherein I have fan folded the white fabric and dipped into water, and then I have used Fevicryl fabric colors to get different patterns. So this is one pattern, this is another pattern, and this is a third pattern. So this is a shibori technique. This is Dabu art from the state of Rajasthan, and the stamp which you can see is made using cardboard and foam sheet. So this is a stamp, and this fabric is dyed using Fevicryl fabric colors, and these block prints are made using this stamp which I have made. So this is Dabu art form. This is Pipli applique work from the state of Orissa, wherein different colored fabrics are cut in different shapes like animal figures, flowers, and this circular shape, again some flowers, and then I have stuck them using Fevicryl fabric glue and decorated them using 3D outliners, some mirrors, and some stones to give the effect of Pipli work. So these are the two fabrics which I have made using Pipli work. This is Madhubani art form from Bihar, and this is done using fabric colors, Fevicryl fabric colors on white fabric, and you can see the patterns. There are double outlines on this, which is a speciality of these particular art form, and I have used this peacock design in this Madhubani painting. These are embroidery stitch effect which I have done on the black fabric, and I have used 3D outliners for giving this stitch effect. So we have been taught 4 to 5 different stitches. So I have used few in this one. These are the different ones, and few in this another fabric, and I have decorated this fabric using mirrors. And this entire work is done using 3D outliners, Fevicryl 3D outliners. This is another article done on black fabric. Freehand design has been drawn on this, and I have used neon outliners to give the design and to outline all the entire work. And neon outliners are quite bright, and on black fabric they give a very vibrant and bright look. So this is my neon outliner work on black fabric. These are white canvas shoes on which I have used Fevicryl neon colors and Fevicryl neon outliners to make these beautiful patterns, and you can see the brightness and the glow. This is another beautiful art form which is done using Fevicryl glass colors, and it's a dream catcher that I have made. And this is OHP sheet on which this design has been drawn, and then Fevicryl glass colors have been used. You can see the glaze and the shine that these Fevicryl glass colors give to any art form. So apart from glass, you can use it on this OHP sheet, and it's decorated using these colorful beads and cotton thread. So it's one of my favorite art forms. This is yet another beautiful art from the state of Chhattisgarh, and it is the Dhokra art form, which is done using Fevicryl molded, and traditionally it's done using metal casting and wax casting, but this we have done using Fevicryl molded. And these are different human figures, some instruments and border, which is done using molded. And Fevicryl acrylic colors and Fevicryl pearl colors have been used for making this beautiful art form. This is dot work done on MDF coasters, and again Fevicryl acrylic colors are used in this, different acrylic colors. Base has been given black color, and then I have drawn the dots using pencil, earbuds and small dotting tools. So this is these are the two coasters which we have been asked to make, and this is dot work. This is stencil painting which is done on canvas board using stencil and Fevicryl acrylic colors, and for the border I have used Fevicryl 3D outliner, so that the design pops up a bit better and it looks good. Another beautiful art form on canvas board. This is a pebble art done using Fevicryl molded and Fevicryl acrylic colors, and these penguins I have made them using Fevicryl molded and then colored them using Fevicryl acrylic colors. Another French art form which is decoupage technique has been done on the bottle. This empty glass bottle, I have covered it using white acrylic color, and then I have used decoupage tissue napkins, acrylic colors, white thread and some beads to enhance the look, and Fevicryl Mod Podge has been used to get the glow and the glaze that you can see on the bottle. I have done mixed media art on canvas board, and I have used corrugated sheet of cardboard to make this birdhouse, and some papers or packing papers of the canvas also I have used over here. I thought no, I had to waste it, and then I have used these decoupage napkins, these stencils and paste of Fevicol and POP to give the texture. Also these are the seashells which are adding more texture to the mixed media art, and Fevicryl acrylic colors and some Fevicryl pearl colors I have used in this mixed media art, and finally I have given a coat of varnish to seal my mixed media work. Yet another beautiful art form on canvas which is fluid art, and we have got Fevicryl pouring kit in which there were various pouring mediums and acrylic colors and silicone oil, and all these were used and colors were mixed, and then I have poured it on the canvas to get these beautiful patterns. We have been asked to make our own project using the techniques that we have learnt in the workshop. So I have used dot work and mixed media and decoupage on this MDF box. This is an old wedding card picture which I just thought of decoupaging on this MDF box, and then I have used laces and some flowers to give the mixed media effect, and the edges which you can see I have used the dot art technique on all the four sides of this box, and then Fevicryl acrylic colors and Fevicryl pearl colors, the copper metallic color is used on this box. Also I have done dot work on the glass bottle, so using Fevicryl acrylic white color. So these are all the art forms which are displayed on the table which I have made during this wonderful course, and hope the judges and mentors will like it. I have given my 100%, and thank you once again Fevicryl for this amazing opportunity.